Hello, this is Steve Blatz with Kistler O'Brien Fire Protection. Today we're going to show you a short video as we go through the process of a radio signal test in order to determine whether or not we need a BDA system or not. So let's get started. All right, here we are at the building that we're going to be testing. We are currently on the tower side of the building, which may be considered the hot side, and we're going to take our first reading. The reading is hovering right around -7. Okay, now that we've got this reading, we'll take readings on all other sides of the building. Next, we're going to go to the back side of the building, which would be the shadow side of the building. All right, right now we're on the shadow side of the building. The antenna is to the southeast on the other side, so we're going to take a reading here. The reading is a little weaker on this side, but still good. We're hovering right around -80. All right, as you can see, we're inside the building. This type of building construction is all concrete and steel. We are on the side of the building that is close to the antenna, and already we're getting bad readings. So we are hovering in the mid-80s, right around 86, 87, which if you take the +12 dB for the assumed uplink, that would put us over -95, which is not good. So in this part of the building, we're in a warehouse. With all this racking, that always causes an issue as well. And our reading right now, we are hovering in the high 90s. And it's bouncing over 100. So this is a definite fail area. Due to all this steel racking, and as we previously said, in the concrete and steel building, it causes a lot of interference. The more dense the material, like the steel and the concrete, creates a larger drop in your dB value. Here we're in another grid square of the building, and our current reading is hovering in the mid-70s, roughly right about -75. So this area would be a pass. All right, so we've completed our testing. We've taken all of our readings, 4 around the outside of the building on all sides, 1 on the roof, and the grid squares inside, which I roughly have about 20 grid squares. Overwhelmingly, this building's a bit of a failure due to the construction. Most of it's warehouse. Concrete and steel construction, most of our readings were well over in the high 90s. So this building would be a prime example of one that would require a BDA system. So once we are complete with the test, we will be able to provide you a report that you see on the screen. This will detail our findings, the readings, and the recommendations that we have to solve your building's issues. For more information on our all-inclusive BDA solution, contact us today.